Hi, I'm Jason Blackett. I'm going to talk to you today about how to secure your applications that you build with ZENworks Application Virtualization. So, application virtualization provides two ways to secure your applications. If you're using ZENworks Application Virtualization 7.0, the first way that you can secure them is by locking the application down to an individual ZENworks configuration management zone. To do that, you're going to start on your packaging machine, and with the packaging machine, you will find a ZENworks tab in the packager where you can specify a zone that should be used to determine whether or not the application can be run. Essentially, there are two things you can specify there. One, does a ZENworks agent need to be present? And two, does it need to be registered in a specific zone? If you select a specific zone, then the packaging machine will actually request credentials and connect to the ZCM zone, where it will discover the ZCM zone's GUID and embed that into your virtual application. That way, after you package the executable from the packaging machine and distribute it to the user's workstation, the first thing that will happen when you launch the virtual application is it will contact the ZENworks agent on this machine, and that will find out which zone the workstation is registered with. If that GUID of that zone matches, then you'll be allowed to run the application. If the zone doesn't match, then you won't. The second way to secure your applications is in ZAV 7.1, you can restrict how long an application is valid for. And you can do that two ways. You can either say a given application is valid for a certain period of time, so say 50 days after I distribute you the application, or until a specific date. To do that, again, you start on the packaging machine. You specify the expiration date information. You push that out to an executable. The executable now contains that expiration information, which can then be distributed to the workstation. Then when the user launches the executable, it goes ahead and checks the date of the machine to determine if it's inside the valid range or not. If not, it's going to give you an error message telling you that you can't run it. Additionally, as an administrator, you can put in a warning message so that when it gets within 5 days, 10 days, you can alert the user that this is going to expire so they can request a new copy or whatever if you need it. The benefits of securing your applications include the application license stays put. There's no way for the user to take an application home and give it to all their friends because it's locked down to a given zone. Apps can be given away without giving away the license. Because that application is going to expire if you put it there, I can give that to, say, a student. They can use it for the semester, and at the end of the semester, the application's no longer valid. You don't have to have a license for it. The third one is because the application can only be run on devices in your zone, you can do asset management and be able to track who has that application with ZENworks Configuration Management. So that's how you secure your applications that you build with the ZENworks Application Virtualization product. Thank you for your time.